Hey everyone, this is weekly recap for EURUSD and AUD/JPY. The weekly outlook you can find in the linked post. So again, just let me remind you that this is just a kind of market research, a practice that I want to show you that you not only can look for future entries, but you also can do your forecast and then just look back to what actually the price did and then try to find your perfect setups. For these first videos, I don't plan to go into too much details into my hindsight research that I do for myself, because every week I try to see how the market developed and what setups I missed, what setups could be done better, and so I collect data and use it in the future trading. So again, you can do it with any strategy you have now. For anyone interested in something like I do, which is a mix of smart money, Vikov, and some other series, then you can follow more closely that I do. But again, my main goal is to show you this practice. So for EURUSD, my main bias was overall bullish based on weekly, monthly, and daily. Again, I will build up on the previous outlooks to keep them all shorter, but daily was so the previous week started. The week started here. Our week started here. And we had this bullish range. So again, bullish range still holds. As you can see, we just continued the pullback during the week. The deep zone didn't get a mitigation, unfortunately. So we have this zone that got mitigated, this one, and we had a reaction. So for 1 hour and 15 minutes, the main bias was, as you can remember, was to break this low. So actually no, to break this low and then create a bullish shift to the upside. I said that I would rather miss all shorting opportunities because of underlying daily bullish bias. With that said, we can add that there were some shorting opportunities on 15 minutes, on 30 minutes, and second bullish scenario. So this was like first bullish scenario, what the price did, but it did it on NFP release in the end of Friday. So I will discuss it right now. I will discuss it for the next outlook. And second bullish scenario was to break this high, so just to start pushing, but it never happened. So yeah, so this is EURUSD recap. And AUD/JPY recap would be something like this. So again, we have this daily bullish range from here to here. And when I say range, I mean structural impulse for my strategy. And the difference was that AUD/JPY already mitigated it, and I was expecting it to be more bullish. So actually, the week started here on 15 minutes, and one of my main biases was to see the price push above this high and then continue and then show a continuation. However, it never happened. So what the price did is created this break to the upside, and it was still a part of overall local bearish move. So right now this pair is just stuck in this big pullback, and for real bullishness to start, I need to see a break of this, and we need to say that the same way as on EU, we still have deeper zone to mitigate, and I will discuss it on the weekly outlook. So I guess there were some news that again pushed the price lower, and the price action here was so quite messy. Maybe it was possible to get something here on the short side, but again, for me, there was basically no short side for this week on ADJPY, because I'm waiting for the price action to be aligned with the daily. So this is a short recap. You can go yourself into more detail, and yeah, I will stop it now. Bye.